G'day guys, James here from Carbon Off-Road. Now today we're going to go through the fundamentals on how to install a Beastline Carbon Off-Road dog lead kit onto your pooch. Now we've got a pooch here in front of us. Now you'll need some bit of equipment to get started. So we'll need a hammer, we'll need some pliers, we'll need a screwdriver, flathead, some side cutters, a tape measure, and all that kind of stuff you won't need because we're installing it on a dog. So just, you need to chill out a little bit guys, it's just a dog. Well, just not a dog, but anyway. Now, the Beastline winch rope leads, they're actually made from winch rope, so they're 8mm winch rope. They come in 4 different colors, the gray, the blue, the orange, and the red. Now, I'm a little bit particular with my colors, and I actually really like this gray rope. And it comes with also a nice stainless steel buckle as well. So if you've got a beast of a dog that, you know, really pulls hard on your dog lead, this thing will just, you will not find a dog that could tear this apart in no way. It's probably rated to about, I don't know, 4,000 kilos or something. So it's pretty strong. Anyway, we'll do a quick installation, and I think the dog has gone to sleep because I've been boring it to tears. And we'll do a quick installation here, there we go, and it is installed. So 2 meters long guys, so it's got plenty of lead, and it's got this nice sheath on the end, so it's really nice and comfortable. So there you go guys, how to install a Beastline Carbon Off-Road dog lead kit onto your pooch. Thanks for watching, cheers.